My dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. As we know, tense plays very significant role in English grammar. It is the basic or the fundamental factor of English grammar as well as the backbone of English literature. Therefore, English learners are advised to take as much interest as possible in this connection so that it would be possible on their part to speak and write English properly. In the previous segments of the 10th series, I have very vividly discussed about the significance or importance of tense, its aspects, and the relationship of tense with time. Side by side, we have also focused on the very interesting ideas in connection with the simple present and its uses. The tense series is not only important for the students in solving their academic problems, it is also helpful for the learners, those who are taking interest in appearing different competitive examinations. Side by side, the professional persons, those who are working in different professions. Okay, it is essential for our day-to-day speaking and writing purposes. Therefore, learners should subscribe my channel and read the channel very carefully, understand the rules of grammar, side by side, apply it in their practical life. The today's topic of our discussion in the Unit 5 is how to use present progressive. This is section 1 because it is also a lengthy chapter. Therefore, I have divided it into two sections. Students at the time of speaking and writing face problem in differentiating between the simple present and present progressive, the structure of present progressive, again how present progressive is used in affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. What are the several uses of present progressive? Let's see. Point 1. Present progressive is also known as present imperfect or present continuous. As the present action is going on, it is called progressive. As the present action is continuing, it is also known as present continuous. Okay, remember, it is used to express an action which is going on right now or which is going on at the time of speaking. It is also used for temporary actions, changing situations, repetition of action, planned action in future, side by side, running commentary and so on. This is the definition or the scope of present progressive. Okay. Now see the structure of present progressive. Remember, every aspect has its own structure. The structure is or am or are plus present participle, keeping the subject in mind. As we know, we have three persons and two numbers in connection with the noun and a pronoun. Okay, in first person singular number, in full form I am writing, in contracted or short form I am writing. We are writing or we are writing. Second person, you are writing or you are writing. Okay, and in a plural, you are writing or you are writing. In third person, she or he or it is writing, he or she is writing. This is contracted form. They are writing or they are writing. These are the ways how we use the structure of present progressive at the time of speaking and writing. Writing has been used to, as we know, that present participle is used to express continuous or progressive action. Come to the third point. We have already discussed that adverbs and adverbials play very important role in determining and ornamenting the language. Therefore, it is very necessary on the part of learners or the students to understand the use of adverbs and adverbials of time. Adverbs and adverbials like now, at present, at this moment, still, today, tonight, these days, nowadays, this morning, this evening, this Sunday, this week, this month, this winter, this year, etc. These adverbs and adverbials are frequently used at the time of expressing present progressive. Okay? Examples. What are you doing at this very moment? This is adverbial of time, or right now, this is also adverbial. We can say what are you doing at this very moment, or we can say what are you doing right now. My grandfather is residing in his native village nowadays or at present time. It is still raining heavily. It means raining heavily is continuing even at present. We should very carefully use adverbs and adverbials in order to modify the verb of present progressive. Okay, now see the next use of present progressive. The area of the use of present progressive. How and in which way we use present progressive at the time of our speaking and writing. Let's see point 1. Action continuing at the time of speaking. So it means present progressive is used for the action which is continuing at the time of speaking, and in other words it is called live action. How? See in examples, the snake is entering into a hole. At the time of speaking, the snake is entering into the hole. The viewers are now taking their seats in the gallery. The cattle are grazing in the meadow at present. These examples express live actions of different subjects at the time of speaking. Present progressive is also used in the case of action continuing even not at the time of speaking. How? Let's see. Mr. Mishra is writing a novel during his leisure. It means Mr. Mishra is not writing at present. Whenever he is in a leisure, at that very moment he is writing his novel. It is not happening at the time of speaking. Excuse me, is anybody sitting here? Here the question maker asks somebody to know about whether someone is sitting there or not. He is constructing a new house at his village these days. It means whenever we are speaking, the action is not going on. But we can use or we can take the help of present progressive to express such type of action which is continuing but not at the time of speaking. Okay, this is the idea. Now come to the third point, temporary action. For permanent action we use simple present, but for temporary action we use present progressive. How? Let's see. Every morning my grandfather enjoys. Here enjoys indicates a simple present. This is the permanent action of my grandfather who enjoys a morning walk. But this morning he is still sleeping due to his illness. Enjoys expresses permanent action. Therefore, here simple present. He is still sleeping expresses temporary action. Another example, Suchitra always sits in the front bench, but today, as she came late, she is sitting in the back bench. As Suchitra is in third person singular number, here sits has been used. Okay, this indicates a permanent sitting position of Suchitra. But today, as she came late, she is sitting in the back bench. This is the temporary action of sitting of Suchitra. He is staying in Paris for a few days, not always. It means after staying there, he will again return back to his permanent place of residence. This is the way how we use present progressive to indicate a temporary action. Now come to the next idea, changing situation. Remember another interesting use of present progressive. Whenever we want to express any changing situation of any action, in that case present progressive is used. How? Let's see. Market price is changing with the changing of time. It is growing and growing. It means it is changing day by day. The patient's condition is improving day by day. Here we find the changing health condition of the patient. Next, temperature of weather is getting hotter and hotter. A child is growing day by day. Naturally, this is the changing situation. All the actions based on changing situation, we use present progressive. Now come to the next point, repetition of annoying action in order to express anger or irritation. At the time of expressing our irritation or anger, in order to express repetition of action, we take the help of present progressive. Let's see in examples. Why are you always making the same mistake? Here the question maker expresses his anger or annoyance in connection with someone's making mistake again and again. The next idea, my bike is giving me trouble repeatedly. Here the speaker expresses his dissatisfaction in connection with his bike which is giving him trouble again and again. You are always complaining. The speaker expresses his annoyance or irritation in connection with someone's frequently complaining nature. She is always changing her decision. Here the speaker expresses his annoyance or irritation or anger as she is not constant in her decision. She is frequently changing her decision from time to time. Another idea, planned future action. Sometimes we plan for doing any action in future. In order to express such planned future action, we take the help of present progressive. We are going fishing tomorrow. Here the speaker is expressing his planned future action in connection with fishing. It means they are going to catch fish tomorrow. Here the tense is present but the time is future. Another, when are you leaving America? Here the speaker wants to know about someone's proposal or planning for leaving America in future. I'm not attending the party tonight. Here the speaker expresses his future planning. It means he is not going to attend the party tonight. So this is the way how we use present progressive in order to express future action. Okay, here the tense is present but the time is future. The next idea, running commentary. Remember, whenever we express running commentary, in this case for instant action simple present is used, and but for continuous or progressive action present progressive is used. How? Let's see. The weather is sunny. Here is expresses the present condition of the weather, which is sunny. Gentle wind is blowing in the sense whenever running commentary is going on, the wind is blowing gently. Again, the viewers are taking their respective seats in the stadium. It means at the time of running commentary, the viewers are taking their respective seats in the stadium. Okay, side by side, the players of both the teams are entering into the field along with the umpires. It means the players along with the umpires are entering into the field before starting of the match. This is the way how we take the help of present progressive at the time of expressing running commentary for continuous action. The last point, to make passive voice. Yes, here we find whenever we want to express passive voice with the help of present progressive, we have to remember the structure that subject plus be verb is am or are plus being in order to express continuous action plus past participle, which is barely necessary for any passivization. How? Some examples. English grammar is being taught right now. Here, English grammar is the subject, is the auxiliary verb, and being is also the auxiliary verb which is used to express continuous action. And taught is the past participle verb form of the base verb teach. And right now it means at this very moment. Next, the rooms are being painted by the workers these days. The rooms subject, okay, and are is the auxiliary verb, being is the auxiliary verb, and painted is the past participle verb form by the workers. Here agent or doer has been mentioned. These days means nowadays. Okay, these are the various ways how we use present progressive at the time of our speaking and writing. With this, I conclude today's segment. Hope you must have enjoyed this class. I would like to draw your attention towards the importance of this chapter. Take interest, go through the video from the beginning to the end. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next segment. Till then, goodbye.